All right, we're back. We're going to build another connector. The last video we built a connector for React, and you can see I left the data set up here because we're going to actually use that. So the site that I would like to focus on next is going to be Refinery 29. Stay on top of the pop-up news as well. Click Let's Get Cracking. Connector. And now we're waiting for this page to load a little bit here. And if you're rocking Red Bull like I am, go ahead and take a drink. Stay energized. All right, so let's go through with our query again. It's going to reload the page. Again, right here, all you're going to do is make sure that the website is still loading the way you want it to. Yep, we're good. In here, pop up. All right, so we got some results here. As you can see, the results are a little bit different than the last video, which is fine. Just follow along. Hit stop. And confirm the data is in the browser again. Yes. And confirm the search input. Query. And let's go to the next step. Multiple search results. Total results, yes. Pagination, no. We're just going to get the freshest results here. Not worry about the pagination stuff. Alright. Let's watch it go through the process again and back to this page. Again, it's important that because we're going to be combining these data sets together into a dashboard, that we make sure that we're using the same naming conventions again. That's why I left that other tab open, so it can help me with that. All right, let's try and find the full selector for rows. It's pretty easy. Put your cursor out here. Train that row. Do the next one down as well. Click train. Lickety split, we've got 6 results. So they've only got 6 results on here, which is totally fine. Let's start getting into it again. So post title, click here, click done. If you forget to do that, you can do it afterwards. After you've created the column too, it's no big deal. We're going to get post link again. Select link. Highlight the same stuff. Get that link going. Alright, so what was next? The post summary. Let's do the category next. And also do the date. And now they have some extra info here that we didn't have in the last one. This is all the information we got out of React, which is fine. But what we're going to do, let's see, let's just make sure actually. Yep, same. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're actually going to grab author name. Because that's actually one of the big pieces of information that we really do want. So if they have it, yes, great, let's take it. And then let's also do author title, just so we know who we're dealing with. And see, now this one's going to probably throw a little bit of difficulty because it's actually kind of in the same cell as the name, so we'll see if we can get it to work right. Okay, and I'm going to select this one as well and train it, because we want to essentially give it results until it figures out the entire pattern. And then the editorial intern as well. And then we'll we'll see how well it does in the next one. Okay, so we've got what we need, and let's go up and train the total results. Add another example page. Trunk show. Looks like all is going well. We have 683 results. Great. And we do have the data we want. And now it's just going to go through again and auto-select everything. Same drill. I will be interested to see if it gets the title. So it doesn't look like they have the author titles on here. So let's make sure it gets all the author titles that are available. Editorial intern. See, it didn't get this one either. Got the rows. Now let's make sure we're training the columns. So I have a feeling what we would probably need is more than 6 results to really train this thing to get all of those titles, but it looks like they're kind of spotty anyway on that, so it's probably fine that we just move forward in this way. And we're going to be visiting all of these anyway, so we'll get to see the title of the person when we click through to the article. All right, done creating tests. And let's upload. So we'll do refinery 29 pop-up news. Show me the data is right. All right, we're going to go through our list of things to do when we get back to this. So I just want to remove dataset here. Refinery 29 pop-up news is right. Let's save that. Click save over here as well. We do have one more thing to do here, which is add the query sample sale just for consistency. Get that in there as well. And it's kind of nice to just do the first 2 training ones out on the actual site and then do the rest of the queries here because it's just so much faster, which is great. Click save there. Alright, and then in the next video, what we're going to do is we're going to go through and combine those 2 data sets into a dashboard, and we'll be able to continually go back and add more data sets from different sources to this dashboard, and it'll be really useful internally. So we'll check that out next.